In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Get-MailboxReport PowerShell script, which is a free script that you can download from ExchangeServerPro.com. And this script's been written to help you quickly and easily create mailbox reports within your organization for different reasons, such as if you're planning to do a migration, or if you're doing some capacity planning, or maybe even if you're just looking for old, disabled or stale mailboxes to remove. Now, the script is run from the Exchange Management Shell, and I'll just show you how you can get the help information for the script. So you can just run get help and then the script file itself. So it's got help information all built in. As you can see here, there's a number of different parameters that you can use with this script. So database, file, server, mailbox, and all. Basically, they control the scope of the script and how many mailboxes or where the mailboxes that is going to generate the report will come from. So for example, you can generate a report of just the mailboxes on one particular database, or of a list of users within a file, or on one entire server. You can also do one individual mailbox if you want to. And the last one is all, that will retrieve all the mailboxes in the organization. And I only recommend using that one perhaps if you've got a smaller organization. It could take quite a while to run if you're in a very large organization. So let's have a look at just retrieving the mailbox report for one individual mailbox. So I can run get mailbox report, and I'll retrieve Alan Reed's mailbox information. Now, if you're just querying a single mailbox, the output will just be written to the console here in plain text. So there's no report file generated. It's just a single mailbox, so that information is just quickly reported like this. So you can see we get a couple of bits of information that are useful. Display name, the job title, which in a planning situation might help you identify your VIPs, which department and office location they're in, whether the account is enabled or not, whether the account has an expiry date set. You can also see the last time the mailbox was logged onto, the size, which has been converted into megabytes for easier reading, and also the type. So you'll see user mailboxes or room mailboxes or equipment mailboxes there. And finally, the server and database that mailbox user is on. So now let's take a look at the same script running against a database. Now, the database names that you put in here need to be basically the full identity of the mailbox database, as though you were running, say, Get Mailbox Database or something like that. So if I was running Get Mailbox Database, and I was to run that with mb.br.01, okay, that would work. So by the same token, I can run Get Mailbox Report with the database parameter and use that mb-br-01, and I'll choose that database because it only has a few users on it, so it'll run quite quickly. The script will output a little bit of progress information for you so you can see how well it's going, and then when it's finished, it will generate a report file in CSV format in the current folder that you're in. So in my example here, I'm in C scripts demo folder, and the mailbox report file name is mailbox report dash, and then the date string here, so 2012-02 for February, 06 for the day. It also uses the current time, 21:35, so 9:35 p.m. And then just at the end here, it just adds 6 random characters just to make absolutely sure that the file name is going to be unique. So once you've generated that script, that report file, you can open that up in Excel and begin to analyze the data. So you can activate filtering, so you can filter down to just the accounts that are not enabled, for example. You can also filter down to just your expired accounts, or do some sorting by last mailbox logon time or size, just to work out which are the best candidates maybe to be moved. So that is the Get Mailbox Report PowerShell script. You can grab that for free from ExchangeServerPro.com.